All right, you guys, been thinking about these biscuits all day. I came home and I am making up some biscuits. So this is what I did. So what I did is I made up a full batch of the self-rising total milk protein flour. So this is the full batch. I divided it in half because I'm not going to use the whole thing tonight. So let me get my measurements because I wrote it down because everything always measures out differently. So I hear my microwave beeping because my butter is getting softened because this was not planned. This is a spur of the moment thing. So I did 2 cups of the total milk protein. Now this says milk protein concentrate, same thing, it's just in a big jug. So 2 cups of total milk protein. And that came up, I measured it in grams. Did not pack them out, leveled it off with a knife, and that came out to 150 grams. So 150 grams of the total milk protein. And then I did 1 tablespoon of baking powder and a half a teaspoon of salt. And so that makes up my self-rising total milk protein powder. And to that, when I measured it all together, it ended up being 166 grams of powder. So what I did is I divided it in half. So each of these containers have 83 grams. I'm going to make up half tonight and save the other half for whenever I want to use it. So this should make 4 biscuits because yesterday I did a fourth of the recipe and it made 2 biscuits. So I'm looking to get 4 biscuits today. So to half of this recipe, I am going to add 4 tablespoons of butter and 3/4 of a cup of heavy whipping cream. So that's what I'm going to add to half of the recipe. Like I said, this one is going to go in storage. This is an airtight container. I'm just going to put it on my counter or in my cupboard, and it's just going to be stored there. So I got my oven preheating. I am going to mix up these biscuits, and one of the subscribers had put a comment about I know what it was. I think Country Gal, again, I think it was her with the bright comment, and it was at the same time my husband was saying it was like, what can you do to make them rise taller? And he's like, what if you cook them in your biscuit rings? And he was saying that at the exact same time as she was commenting about cooking them in the muffin tins. So great minds think alike. I think I'm going to cook them in a muffin tin or something, or I do have biscuit rings that I had bought to make English muffins. So maybe I'll cook them in that tonight and see if that helps with not making them look so funky. Doesn't matter to me. I don't care what shape they're in as long as they taste like they did yesterday. So we're going to find out, but this is the first part of the video. I'm going to get these mixed up, throw them in the oven while I fry up some hamburger and see what I'm going to make for supper. So this is what's going on tonight, you guys. I've been dreaming of these darn muffins. They are delicious. I just want to taste that deliciousness in my mouth one more time. So we will be back. Time to get to mixing these biscuits. I'm rolling, baby. So let's see if we can recreate this genius I did yesterday. Oh, I'm doing 6 ounces of heavy whipping cream, which is 3/4 of a cup. My husband and I were talking about this, and I thought it would taste really good if... Sausage gravy. Stop it. Stop it with the sausage gravy. Sausage. You're obsessed with sausage. Sausage dog, sausage gravy, eggs and sausage. Enough already. All right. So I thought it would really be good. Some of you might know them as Bierocks. Some of you might know them as Cabbage Biscuits. Some of you might know them as Runzas. It depends on what part of the world you're from. But I love Cabbage Biscuits. I love Runzas. I love Bierocks. So I'm not sure how it would work out baking the mixture inside, but I have made Cabbage Biscuits, Bierocks, Runzas my whole life from scratch. I always made the yeast dough from scratch.
Willie, stop it.
I always made the yeast dough from scratch, and I thought this would be wonderful if this could work out for my Bierocks, you guys. I don't know how it would work cooking the meat mixture inside. So I thought for this go round, I made just a quick batch of some cabbage and hamburger. And I think afterwards I'm going to try stuffing something in the middle of one of these. So I have these rings that I bought a long time ago thinking I was going to make some English muffins, and that never quite worked out. So I'm using them for these biscuits. Let's see if we can get a round biscuit this time, and maybe it'll help make it raise a little bit. So we'll see. We will see. So I feel better this time because I have actual measurements, and that always makes me feel better, like weight measurements instead of just cups. So you have something to say, Terry? He's excited. Oh, my background looks messy.
It's real life.
It's real life. We just got home from work.
Took the dogs for a walk.
Yeah, it is what it is. I asked my hubby what he was making me for supper, and he said sandwiches. Oh, thanks.
Kandi's like, we're not going to have that.
Sandwiches? I want a biscuit. So I decided bacon biscuits.
Used to be my favorite crackers. Chicken and biscuit.
Chicken and biscuit crackers? Maybe I would make a good chicken and biscuit cracker. Who knows? Who knows? Okay, we are down to our last biscuit.
Who knows what Kandi's able to make?
Who knows what I'm able to make? I am magical, my friends. Magic fingers. All right, so I tried to make them even, but I don't know. Okay, if there's one that's bigger, then I get it. Don't look at me.
Well, if there's one bigger, you know who gets it.
Me, the cook. The cook gets the bigger biscuit. That's the rules. That's how it's set up. It's in the 10 Commandments. All right, so biscuits are done. I'm making a mess. I'm gonna go wash my hands and throw these in the oven, and then we'll be back and see how it works out. Okay, they did not fluff up inside my little rings, but they still look delicious and they look crunchy. I'm gonna stuff these and see how they taste with my cabbage. Okie dokie. So cooking them inside the rings did not make them fluff up, but it made the sides crispy, super crispy. Look at that. Look at that. That looks really good. All right. So, oh my God, buttery deliciousness yet again. I need to see how to make these fluffy, because that will be super good. All right, so I have my cabbage mixture here, and I'm just going to plop some of that on the inside. Mostly hamburger, but a little bit of coleslaw mix. I do that. And a little bit of cheese, please. And some butter. And that looks delicious. There we go in all its glory. There is my low-carb cabbage biscuit. That looks delicious.
Is Kandi recording herself?
I sure am. That's why I sound nice, because I'm recording.
Looks delicious.
It still looks flat, huh? But it
Doesn't
looks
matter.
yummy. Now we need to perfect making it a little bit fluffier. I don't know if I care if it's fluffier because it's so delicious the way it is.
You're ruining the moment.
Yes, I am.
Did I forget to put butter on it?
Yeah, you put sour cream, but not butter. I didn't put sour cream. I want you to take a bite. And the bottom of that looks delicious and crunchy. How is it? Is it delicious?
Mm-hmm.
Is it worth the wait? You know what would be good?
A napkin.
Well, besides a napkin, a Reuben. Caraway seeds in this. Oh my gosh, I miss Reubens. Caraway seeds and some pastrami and cabbage. No, sauerkraut, right? Well, that's cabbage. How about a Reuben, baby?
Any day.
Yeah. I think a Reuben is going to be on our bucket list. I got to get me some caraway seeds. I am stoked. Yay. Maybe I'm going to eat mine now. Maybe I'm going to eat mine. Mine looks delicious. I stuffed mine with more meat. I hear that crunch and I'm so jealous.
What are you waiting for?
I don't know. You guys, this is the star of the show. This or the small bag has total milk protein on it. I will put a link down below where you can get your own. Or if you cannot find it or don't want to buy this, you can mix 80% casein powder and 20% whey powder. You are not waiting. Look at him. I think he's going to eat my biscuit. 2 of them are for me. I think I'm just going to get one. Are you going to holler at me from the other room that it's not very good? So I don't want it? Like I did yesterday to you.
Yeah, that wasn't very nice.
Wasn't very convincing? Did you know I was lying?
I really didn't know.
Man, it was delicious.
You never can tell.
I felt guilty the minute I said it.
I don't know about that.
I did. I came clean like in 2.2 seconds. Faster than a Ferrari.
Sure.
All right. We're going to close it out, you guys. These are wonderful stuffed. Ooh, even with taco meat, that would be good stuffed. Yum. Can anybody say torta? Yum. All right. We're going to close it out, y'all. Make some of the biscuits. They're delicious.
Crispy.
Crispy and delicious. We will see y'all in the next video. Like and subscribe and ring the little bell notification so you know the next time I have a video coming out. That's his part. He did it. He remembered. All right. Peace out, y'all.